Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you view some messages that were unsent from your Facebook's Messenger app. So I have my Messenger app right here, right? So first thing I want to do is I want to go to the notifications and sounds panel, and you need to make sure that your do not disturb is not turned on. So if your do not disturb is turned on, well, you won't be getting any notifications. So our first and only priority here is our notifications turned on, right? So the first things that says show previews, we definitely need this on. Okay, next, you can choose a ringtone, whatever you want, and then we're done from here, right? Then we're gonna go to our settings, and then we're just gonna find our Messenger app, right? Okay, there is Messenger. Now we're gonna go for notifications, and first thing you need to make sure is that your notifications are turned on here as well, and then all of these options are turned on. So we're gonna make sure that we see the Messenger notifications everywhere. Like for example, if our phone is locked, we want there as well, and we want it in the notification center as well, and the banners as well. So now you need to turn the badges on as well. You need to definitely make sure that your show preview is also on. Okay, now basically what we're doing is we're making sure that if someone is sending us a message, we just look at it right from our screen, because sometimes you can just scroll down the notification panel and then your notification or that message is there, but when you open the chat, the guy or whoever was texting you has removed the message. So this set of instructions makes sure that you have the best possibility of looking at those messages before they are deleted. So that is your only option, because once the messages are deleted, they can't really be recovered. But in order for you to see those deleted messages, this is your best shot. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.